Today I am going to show you how to install any printer using its IP address. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step, super simple. First we need the printer IP address. You can usually find it on the printer control panel under network setting. If not, you can log into your router and check the connected device. Another way is using CMD to find the printer IP. I will show you in my next video. Now let's make sure the printer is online. Open CMD, typing IP address. If you see reply, good news, your printer is connected. If it's fail, check the cable, Wi-Fi or router setting. On your computer, go to Start, Setting, Bluetooth and Device, Printer and Scanner. Click Add Device. If your printer doesn't show up, click the printer that I want isn't list. Now choose Add the printer using TCP IP address. Type the printer IP. Select TCP IP device and hit next. Windows will ask for driver. If you already download the official driver from the printer website, click Have Disk and browse to the drive folder. If not, you can select built-in Windows driver from the list. Once selected, click Next. Name your printer, for example office print type. Click next. Choose don't share if it's asked and then click printer test page. If the test page come out, your printer is installed successfully. If printing doesn't work, make sure you select a standard TCP IP port and not WSD. Double check the driver or set a static IP on your printer so it doesn't keep changing. And that's the super easy way to install a printer using its IP address. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Fix Tricks and leave a comment if you have any issue. See you in the next tutorial.